I feel like this is, well, I guess this is a what does Nancy fancy moment, right? What does Nancy fancy? I love gardenias. I'm not kidding. I love roses, but I also love magnolias. This is gorgeous. Have you ever walked by a magnolia tree outside? They have the most incredible blooms. This is from Wicker Park. This is a 6-foot faux magnolia tree. 6 foot! I'm 5'7". Oh my goodness. But we only have one color left. So all colors gone. We only have the pink. That one sold out. Clearance price, normally $139, because you know what? When you're getting a 6-foot faux tree like this, they are normally triple digits. So normally $139. $79.99 or $26.66 gets this home. Indoor, outdoor, soft touch floral blooms, and it also comes with a pot. And then look at how realistic that stem is as well. All right, no reorder on this. Pink only and final quantities. Less than, I don't know how many. Is it less than 200? Jen, I think it's very, very starting to get limited. Yeah, 150. Thanks, Jen. All right, let's bring in Melissa Epps-Wilding. She's on the phone with us. Hi, Melissa. This is gorgeous. I love magnolias so much.
Oh, me too. Me too. How are you? Yes, I am obsessed with this magnolia tree. And I know we have the pink left, but the pink is so beautiful.
So
and
pretty.
You're getting so many different stages of growth with those beautiful big magnolia blooms. And Nancy, there's about 16 different blooms on there. So big and bright and beautiful. But, you know, these are from Wicker Park. And the Wicker Park difference is, you know, not only are we going to let you know that you can put this beautiful tree outside, but you can bring it inside if you want to. But it's going to look incredibly realistic. From the real touch blooms, you know, to the leaves that have a little bit of that white on them that, you know, just like magnolia leaves. But if you put it outside, Nancy, we're going to tell you that this can withstand the test of time, that it's fade resistant, that you can plant it in the ground if you want, or you can put it in your favorite pot and enjoy all summer long.
Tell me about Wicker Park, Melissa.
So if you're not familiar with Wicker Park, we are a division of Bethlehem Lights. And Bethlehem Lights has been on QVC for over 30 years.
Yeah,
and we bring lots of Christmas decorations and lighting, you know, the commercial grade that, you know, we decorate the malls with and, you know, the front of big buildings. But what we wanted to do was bring that same expertise to the garden world.
Right.
And so first and foremost, we want our plants and flowers to look realistic. And so that we've achieved. You can see on the branch detail. Looks so realistic. The flowers look realistic. We've got that real touch, which is amazing, all the way down to your grower's pot. So super realistic. The second thing is we want them to be able to withstand, withstand the elements because you're going to want to put this inside if you want. I have them in my sunroom right now because they brighten up my sunroom and they look beautiful. And I just feel like, you know, greenery is such a fashion magazine moment. We all want that, like bringing the outdoors in, beautiful trees in our house, and this allows you to do that without any care or maintenance. And, you know, you can put it in that dark corner of your dining room, or you can put it upstairs, you know, maybe in a hallway, and you don't have to worry about taking care of it, but you get the gorgeous, you know, look of the magnolias and the flowers and the foliage. But you can put this outside, too, and that's the beauty of it, is you can put it anywhere you want in your garden. You can put it in your urns and pots. You know, I say cover it up with a little bit of mulch. We've got these incredible creeping jennies from Wicker Park too that you can, you know, put on the bottom of your urn, which gives it a great look. But you could also plant it in the ground if you wanted to do that too. So you could really do anything you want. And Nancy, I'm going to give you a really quick point before I stop talking for a second. But you can take the stems out if you want as well. That's how it's going to ship to you. There's 5 stems that you just need to put, you know, right in to where they belong. Super easy. But you can take them out and put them in a vase if you want, like in the winter time, if you want to keep, you know, the plant as a tree in the summer and then bring it inside in the winter.
Oh my goodness, so they're actually detachable as well, which actually is really great for storage, just, you know, if you need to. But honestly, a forever floral like this, look at how beautiful. That one sold out. We are down to our last quantities of our pink magnolia. And there's, I think, less than 150 left. Melissa, I don't know if you could see, but I'm 5'7". This is 6 feet.
I know.
You know, 6 feet. I mean, we could talk about faux floral all the time, and forever florals, that's what I call them. But when you get a 6-foot you are looking at so much real estate, right? You're looking at so much height. I mean, this is like planting a tree, like that grew and grew for years and years, right? It's almost like that budding magnolia tree that you would love. I love that it just brings a little bit of beautiful magnolia flowers in bloom, right? And kind of like Melissa said, all different types of bloom. There's like ones that haven't even like, you know, even they're still budding, right? And then you've got full blooms, but it just brings so much beauty. I'm in the garden set right now, Melissa, and this is the showcase right here. Do you see what's happening right here? I mean, I could like move it around.
I can see it. I can see it.
And
It's
let me
gorgeous.
move this. It's easy to move.
You don't need much,
yeah.
Nancy. You don't need much to make it look, you know, this to fill up a space, and this absolutely does that. And at this price, it's like you're getting so much.
Look at that.
Like the blooms are enormous. Like if you put your hand next to the bloom, it's almost as large as, you know, your hand.
Doesn't this look gorgeous, Melissa? Like it just makes an area, right? And it just takes this beautiful real estate, also giving you that height, maybe in front of that like garden door, the back door, maybe in front of your house. You could also use it indoor and outdoor. All right, fade resistant from a company that we love, sister to Bethlehem Lights Wicker Park. Pink left and less than 150. That's it. Final quantities. All right, no reorder. Thank you, Melissa. Bye.
Thanks, Nancy.
All right, coming up from Energizer.